Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What you're looking at here are a set of plans. This was the first set of plans that I bought literally 5 years ago. And I bought these on eBay. I think I paid at the time, I think they were like $15 or $10. And this is a German, or I think a Swiss kit, a Swiss set of plans for a free flight glider. I've seen a couple people turn it into an actual flying glider. This is called the Erwa 8. I don't know if it's 8 millimeter or it's 8 meter. I'm not sure, or 8 inches. I have no idea. I have everything already printed out the way it's going to be set up, but I've been looking at them and looking at them, and it's one of those things that, you know what, I got to get to these plans eventually. It's really interesting. The body is separate, and then the wings are the way that this area is set up here is that you put rubber bands to attach the wings. So it's really interesting how this whole thing is set together. I think I'll build them. I gotta get those out onto hard stock, which is that area right there, onto the manila folder, and then I think we'll have to start cutting everything out and start laying up the wing and see if we can get something going here. We need another glider because all our other gliders, we're going to have to let go at least one or two of them. I have 4 gliders and can't fly all 4 gliders. Have to build a new glider for the summertime. So this will probably be the one. I have seen this plane set up with an electric motor. I just have to figure out how I'm going to be controlling it and how it's going to be set up. So down here is the rudder. So yeah, let's see what goes on with this one. So anybody knows anything about this plane or has seen, I saw a video of the plane, I'm telling you, a while ago. I'm gonna see if I can find it again, and I'll reshare it. So just look out for it, and I'll reshare it on my post feed, so you guys can see what it looks like built up. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll talk to you later. Oh, make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and give me a shout out if you like. Leave a comment down below. Model Man Frank out. Talk to y'all later.